Welcome to the Architect Show and to the Wasted exhibition. The general concept here was to have a look at what our industry is doing with waste material, with the waste that they produce to produce the products that we all use and like. And we wanted to show pragmatically what can be done with waste, and that we can actually take garbage, things that were going into the trash, and elevate them to the level of tAS finishes, as we tried to show in the walls, and even to, anecdotally art, in a playful kind of way, that that these things shouldn't be overlooked and forgotten and just disposed of, but rather there's tremendous value in here, and arguably there's more value because it's about uniqueness and custom. Everything is different. It's the next step after industrialization. The waste that's produced by industrial production becomes custom finishes. So we looked at different surfaces and tried to express the nature and the character of each material and what it can do. We're by no means trying to propose solutions here. We're just trying to provoke the question. Why do we not use this valuable resource that's already been paid for, that has tremendous equity in it, that has tremendous amounts of embedded carbon that we are losing and creating a more difficulty for ourselves in the future? If we can recapture this and somehow repurpose it in a way, upscale it in a way, we benefit the local economy because we're adding craft and skill to the people who are producing these things. We benefit the global environment because we're removing less raw materials from it. And we're improving the quality of spaces because we're providing very custom, very unique, intimate, textured experiences that maybe are a little outside of what industry can produce. We had a very serious look at what waste means. So we've created these piles in front of us here, which show how much embedded carbon is actually in the different materials. You can see that aluminum has so much embedded carbon, there's very little compared to wood, which is a big bag. You can start to understand, yes, maybe recycling is an option, but you're adding more energy to recycle. And maybe there's other things you can do, like repurpose or reuse in a different way, or suspend in some other mixture and create a new wall finish or a new floor finish or a new ceiling finish or a new way of doing a piece of furniture that doesn't have as much of an impact on the environment as we are having right now. So everything in the show is created from waste. The sculpture behind me is created from slab waste. The balloons are wood waste. This is kitchen waste. Glass waste. We have all different typologies of marble, and we try to just show what can be done with what we throw away.